Yo, what up, squad? So today, man, listen, I've been using a home security upgrade for a little while now, and honestly, y'all, it is making a whole lot of sense for my home, and I think it is a solid product and a gift idea for everybody, all right? Now, since having it, y'all, I've been able to easily be able to see who's in my backyard, right? Or what's walking around my backyard at night, and just being able to just overall monitor and just kind of have that peace of mind. This right here, y'all, is the eufyCam S4, and what really makes it actually interesting is I feel like it's not trying to just be another outdoor camera. And since using it, I feel like it's more so really made to be able to track smarter, and most importantly for me, is stay powered without constant maintenance. And I'm telling y'all, that is a godsend, all right? So let's go ahead and break it down on why I've been loving this camera setup. Now, in my previous video that I did on the eufyCam S4 here, man, I showed you guys the 2-in-1 bullet plus the PTZ triple lens, where to me was honestly one of the biggest separators. And what really intrigued me the most when it comes to this camera was just, instead of having to choose between a fixed wide angle lens or having a moving PTZ camera, when it comes to using my app, I can see both no problem. So on top here in the app, man, I'm able to watch a wide angle view of whatever is happening. And right here on the bottom here, I get that PTZ lens that moves as well as zooms as well as tracks everything. And I mean every and anything that is moving back here, all right? It's like having a secret agent from my house. Like, I legit own my own secret service right here in this camera. And on top of that, when it comes to using it so far, y'all, the clarity has just been so good. Being 4K Ultra HD resolution is everything, man. Literally everything is super sharp, which is something that I like. And even with the tracking, if someone is like walking around or running in between that tree area like you see, it's tracking that no problem. I'm telling y'all, such a dope camera. Now, the next thing here, man, has been just, again, so clutch, man. And you can see it just with the battery icon right here in the app here. And you can also mainly notice it that is sitting right here on top of the Cam S4. And that is that 5.5 watt solar panel. Listen. First off, y'all, I like just how clean it looks, but I also like how I can have this entire setup, which is just, I'm telling y'all, so easy to set up, by the way, with literally just screwing the panel right here on top. You plug in the USB-C cable, and just like that, man, you are up and running with ease, all right? But the fact that I don't have to deal with any wires at all, I'm telling y'all, man, it just makes the setup so easy. So this is the best 5.5 solar panel that is on the market, and all it takes is about 1 hour of direct sunlight per day to be able to keep this camera running continuously. You can see right here, even at night, I am at 100%. Like, I have no worries wondering if my battery is gonna die or not. No battery swapping, no climbing ladders or continuous checking on your battery status. You just set it and forget it, man, and that's what I've been enjoying the most since I've been having mine. Now, I did briefly in this video here touch on the experience of the bullet to PTZ AI tracking, as well as that 8x auto zoom. Now, how this actually works, or how I've been experiencing it, is you're able to see right here with this cat that is just always coming over to my house here at nighttime. For some reason, I don't know what is over here, but it just likes my house. But when motion is detected, the system will automatically transition from the fixed bullet view to the PTZ AI tracking to lock right onto the subject, which can be either a person, can be a car, or it can be an animal, and it will keep it centered all in real time. And if you guys want, you can also zoom in up to 8 times, or it will automatically zoom in to that subject if it's needed. So far, y'all, my experience has just been ultra smooth when it comes to the tracking features and functionality of it. It just feels like it's less of a basic home camera and more of a professional grade tracking system, but simplified for normal people like myself as well as you guys out there to be able to use. Now, you guys are probably like, CKid, what about the installation though? Like, is it easy? This looks kind of complicated. There's a lot of stuff going on. How was the setup? Listen, this was by far the easiest camera that I've ever set up before in my entire life. All you do is literally you just mount it to the bracket, you angle it, and then you connect the solar panel up, and then you just walk through the app and it's gonna set up everything for you. And that's literally it, man. Now, a few other things that I kind of do want to point out in this video that I have also been enjoying since using this camera, and that is that starlight color night vision mode. So you know how basically during the daytime, whenever you have a camera, whatever, using your iPhone, whatever, basically you're getting full color, right? You can see everything in full color. Well, with the Cam S4, it allows you to still be able to see full color even at nighttime, which is just so wild. So it uses the Starlight Color night vision for making this happen. And I'm telling y'all, it is so good, like you guys are seeing right here. Like, it is pitch black outside, but you can still see everything in color. And it also has a red and blue strobe deterrence that you guys can actually set up within the app, and you can kind of set it as an away status. But once it actually detects motion or intruders of someone who shouldn't be there, then it will go ahead and kick on these red and blue strobe lights, which I thought was a nice touch. But luckily, I haven't had to use that within my home. But again, I do think it is a nice feature. And I also want to mention too that it does have 32 gigabytes of onboard storage. So that way you guys can get footage without, having to worry about paying for an additional subscription or anything like that, because who trying to spend extra money in 2025 heading into 2026? I know I don't. So I wanted to make this video here, man, just to kind of follow up to my first video that I did on this camera here, where I showed you guys pretty much all of everything that it can do. But I wanted to kind of give you guys more of an update after using it for some time. But the question is, do I still feel like it is worth buying it after using it long term? 100% yes, y'all. The eufyCam S4, man, to me, it covers a wide range when it comes to its cameras, right? It's crazy strong AI tracking. Then on top of that, you're getting that 5.5 watt solar panel, which is just dope. And as well as it's easy to install, and it can see in the dark like a ninja, but in color. So if you guys are interested, man, I will have a direct link for you guys down in the description section below for you guys to pick up one for yourself. And also, man, shout out to the good people over at Eufy for sponsoring today's video, man. I'll see y'all in the next one. Squad, we out. Go get your camera.